Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the wget command. Okay, the wget command is kind of really useful, a super useful command because it helps you to download the file from the internet directly. Okay. First of all, I'm going to open up the terminal. So I want to download something with the help of wget. So I just need a download link of any software or anything. So for example, I just want to download the VLC player. Okay. All right. I'm just trying to download some file. Doesn't matter for which operating system. So this is our download link. Copy this. Now what will I do here? Simply that I'm gonna go to the documents, okay, because I want to download the file there. Now what I will simply do here, I'm gonna write the wget and then I'm gonna paste the link here. Alright, that's it, and hit the enter and it will simply start downloading the file. Okay, so this is how the wgets work. If you want to cancel the download, what you need to do, you're gonna simply hit the shortcut key, which is Control C, and it will stop the download. Okay, but if you want to resume the download, all you need to do, you're gonna get the wget same download link. What you need to do here, you're gonna write the -c and it will start downloading from the previous point. You can see here it will start downloading the file from the previous point, which was the 7. Okay, so I just want to cancel out the download because I don't want to download the file. So I'm gonna cancel it. There are the couple more things which I need to tell you, that if you want to download the file with another name, if you want to give it another name, so what you need to do, you're gonna write the -o and then you have to write the name, the custom name which you want to give to your download file. So I want to give it vlc.zip. okay, hit the enter and you can see that we have this custom file. Alright, so this is how you can give the custom name to your download file. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel out this thing as well. Okay, so there is one more thing here, that if you want to download the file in the specific directory, so what you need to do, you're gonna simply go with the wget and you're gonna write the p here and you will write here, and here you will write the path, the destination path where you want to download the file. So I just want to download the file inside this directory. Okay, so I'm gonna write, hit the enter and it will start downloading the file inside this directory. Alright, so this is how it works and this is how you can download the file with the help of wget command. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.